guys, you're welcome to this YouTube channel. If you are watching this for the very first time, my name is Asperia, a very passionate farmer. I do content on everything to do with farming, and so this is a very good channel for you. Subscribe. And so in today's video, I want to show you our beautiful garden here at this school. I shared a video when we were transplanting, the whole process from the nursery bed to when we transplanted, the fertilizers, every activity that we did. And so it's been like 3 weeks since we transplanted our plants. So I want to show you how they have grown and to give you like an update. We planted a lot of vegetables, different varieties. We planted spinach, we have collards, we have kale, we have onions, we have eggplants, we have tomatoes. They are the best varieties around town. So this is at school, one of the beautiful schools in Bale, like we have shared in the previous videos. So come, I'm going to show you around. I want you to learn, and together we can grow this around our homes, schools. And if you are interested in having these beautiful backyard gardens in your school, in your hotel, in your home, I'm going to share with you my contact in the description. So click subscribe, like the video. Then so I'm going to start with this. This is called kale. Kale is in the same class with sukuma wiki, or in the same class with collards, this one, but they look different and they taste different. Now if I'm to choose what to eat, I would choose kale because it is tastier than this one. But all of them are very nice, they are very tasty, and they are very good. But they are all very beautiful vegetables if you plant them in your compound. Then we have this is spinach. Most of you have been watching our videos, you know spinach. It looks very good, perfectly fine in your compound. They double as flowers, but as well as veggies. So we have a lot of things. If you can see on this lane, you see a lot of kale, and it looks really beautiful. I usually refer it as the curried sukuma wiki. It is curried, like you can see. Isn't it beautiful? You can choose to carry this like this, and you put it in your sitting room, and you know it still looks beautiful, but yet it's edible. So it's a movable garden. You can move it and you put it where you want it to be. It doesn't stress you, so you have no complaint. You can tell us, I don't have land. This can fit on your veranda, in your courtyard. It can fit on your roof. You can grow vegetables anywhere without any excuse. So these beautiful vegetables, they are very easy to grow around your home because they grow very fast, very easy to grow. They don't require a lot of input, but then they can yield a lot. So go and start planting them around your home. I wanted to motivate you and encourage you to grow. Thank you so much for watching. Please like our video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.